How to reset your OnlyFans password. In this video, I'll show you how to reset your password of your account on OnlyFans. Let's get started. First, make sure you have connected to internet. After that, open any browser. Here, I am using Google Chrome. Now on the search bar, type in OnlyFans and click enter. Scroll down a little bit until you see this logo. Click on it. This is the official website of OnlyFans. Now click on home option and you'll be loaded to this login page. If you want to log into your account, simply type in your credentials on this field and tap on login. And if you don't have an account yet, click on sign up for OnlyFans and create a new account. If you want to directly log in with your Google ID or X account, then click on these respective buttons here. Now to reset your password, click on this forgot password option. Here you have to type in your email. Now click on send option and you'll receive a password reset link to this mail. Simply click on that link and follow the instructions. And that's it. This is how you reset your password on OnlyFans. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.